subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus launched its new 5G phone under Nord series in the US market called OnePlus Nord N30 5G, and it is the successor of the OnePlus Nord N20 5G smartphone that was launched back in April last year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord N30 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries a 16-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.4 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord N30 5G comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with up to 1 TB microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on Oxygen OS 13.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 50 watts Super VOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.5 by 76 by 8.3 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord N30 5G has been priced in the US market at $300. And it's said to go on sale starting from June 8th, in chromatic gray and pastel lime color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord N30 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,